Hi boys and girls, in this video I will be going over your chapter 16 math test with you. Now I don't want anyone to worry. It's our last day of school and then you've got the whole summer to enjoy. So as we work through this test, if some of the questions seem a little tricky for you, just put down your best guess and don't worry. I won't be marking anyone down on this test. I will simply be giving you credit for trying. So even if you get a few or many wrong, you don't need to worry. When I put the points in for this test, you'll just get points for turning it in. So just do your best and don't worry. Number 1 says circle the coins that equal a total value of 9 cents. Now these are pennies, so each one is worth 1 cent. So you should circle 9 to get 9 cents. If you need to pause while you do that, you can pause. And if you're ready to move on, I'll go on to number 2. Number 2 says write the value of each nickel. Add to find the total value of the 3 nickels. So we know that a nickel is worth 5 cents. So you can put 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents, and then you'll count by fives. 5, 10, 15, and put 15 cents all together. And that should be an equal sign there. They put a plus sign. If you want to change that to an equal sign, that'll make more sense. Number 3 says find the value of 2 dimes. How many nickels equal the same value? Well, think dimes are tens, so 2 tens equals 20. So how many nickels? Those are the 5 cents. So think 5, 10, 15, 20. How many is that? To get 20 cents, we need 2 dimes and 4 nickels. Going on to the next page, it says count on. So we have 10 and 10, that's 10, 20, 21, 22. So put 22 cents in the jar. Trayvon buys a rubber ball. It costs 65 cents. Circle the coins that together equal the amount he needs. So he needs 65 cents. So let's circle 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 cents in dimes, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cents in pennies. 6 says Bella buys a glass of lemonade. She pays 8 dimes and 7 pennies. So how much does she pay for the lemonade? Think 8 tens and 7 ones. 8 tens and 7 ones. 87 cents. Number 7 says count on and write the total. So we have a 10, a 10, and a 10, and then a 5, a 5, and a 5. So we'll count by tens, 10, 20, 30, and now we'll count by fives, 35, 40, 45. So in the bag you can put 45 cents. Moving on to the next page, number 8 says Josephine wants to buy a pencil. It costs 35 cents. So circle the coins that add together to give her what she needs. So 30 would be 10, 20, 30, so circle 3 dimes, and then 5 more would be 1 nickel. So circle 1 nickel to get 10, 20, 30, 35 cents. Number 9 says Benjamin has 4 dimes and 1 nickel. So how much does he have? 4 dimes and 1 nickel is like saying 4 tens and 1 5. So 4 tens and 5 ones would be 45 cents. Number 10 says circle the dimes that equal the total value of $1. Remember there are 100 cents in a dollar, so you should count by tens until you get to 100 and then circle. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So circle 100 cents worth of dimes. And on the last 2 questions, number 11 says, how many quarters equal $1? Remember our jingle, 25, 50, 75, a dollar. And number 12, choose 2 groups that have a value of 75 cents. So you're going to say, well, 3 quarters, 25, 50, 75. We know that's one way to get 75 cents. 5 dimes would only be 50 cents, so that wouldn't work. 2 quarters would be 50, and then 3 more dimes would be 60, 70, 80. That's too much. 7 dimes would be 70 plus 5 pennies would be 75. So that one here would be 75. So the first one and the last one. And boys and girls, you just finished your last math test for 1st grade. You should kiss your brain and be so proud. And go ahead and take a picture of your completed test and upload it to Class Dojo. Bye, boys and girls.